Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix right click not working on Windows 10 Start button or Start menu. Type %app data %. Click up data. Click local folder. Open Microsoft folder. Open Windows. Open WinX folder. Copy URL from description and download WinX zip file. Simply extract zip file. Copy all folder and paste WinX folder. Click replace the files in the destination. Right-click taskbar, Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.